What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be doing a iPhone 17 camera test. You're probably wondering why it's dark. Obviously we're doing a camera test, but the iPhone 17 has night mode, so let's see how that turns out. Just before this I did the iPhone Air camera test and I did not like that, so let's see how the iPhone 17 compares to that. And I'm really hoping to get some good photos of the view because I didn't come all of this way and pay for parking to not take good photos. So we're gonna take a photo without anything at all first. And then we're gonna zoom in. I'm targeting this blue over here. You know what? We're also gonna target the Rogers here. With just flash. Okay, that's not too bad. I think that's better than the Air, but it's still not good. The issue with this is that the photos come out blurry. Again, I know it's far, but my eyesight can see better than this camera can. But I can see the Rogers sign clearly, while here it's blurry. Let's try a video now. We're gonna put it on 4K 60 frames per second. And we're just gonna do a video with some zooming. We're going to do video with flash. I'm a Pro user, so I'm always with the Pro or the Pro Max, which is why this is so underwhelming for me, just because I know how good a camera can be. Okay, let's try the front-facing camera. Okay, we're gonna try with just the flash now. Okay, and then just without anything, and just the flash from the phone that's recording right now. Okay, now we're gonna take photos. I'm not. My mom's gonna take photos of a human being.
I don't know inch difference, but I like this phone. Let's see what now. Is it called now?
You know what my mom just said? She's like, I don't know why, but the phone I'm recording with right now is better. And I'm like, yeah, no, duh. It's the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So if you guys if you like the way that this video is recording, this is the Pro Max that's recording it with the flash on. So I mean, I haven't seen what it's recording, but I bet it's the best camera we've ever seen on an iPhone. So yeah, now we're gonna take a video with the flash, so just hold. So this is how a video looks with flash. I don't know how it looks. Hopefully it looks good, but I'm never really a big fan of the regular base models. I guess I always grew up with the better models, just because I prefer spending money on better products, saving up, getting better things. So let's see how that is. Okay, we're not even doing an Air comparison right now, but I keep talking about it because I recently just did that video. Okay, now I'm gonna take you over to the grass. I hope there's no snakes in here. And we are going to take a photo and video of this piece of wood. Why? Because that's the only thing that's here. Okay, that looks pretty good from close up, but I want to get farther. I bet this phone is really good in, morning when it's light outside, but sometimes you really just need videos and photos in the dark.
Grass.
No, I'm not doing the grass. It's ugly. It's dead grass. You want me to record dead grass? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I've posted unboxings and the camera test and the night test on my channel, so go check those out for the whole 17 lineup and the Air, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.